So welcome back, it's week 2 of the Destruction Physics System AT thingy, and following the research I did last week, I've created this simple system which raycasts from where you click to the triangle, or a triangle, on an object, recreates the base game object without that triangle, and creates a new game object from that triangle, and adds a little bit of physics, as you see here when I click. Boop, a little triangle pops out. For the fracture, a new vertex is added in the centroid of the fracture, and that's instantiated, so you can see it's nice and 3D. It works on all convex objects, so if you click on this, a little splinter will come out. The physics is a little bit broken right now, but hey ho. I was working on gap filling, and it was quite easy to do the first cut. All I was doing was drawing triangles to the centroid. And that worked well until you cut out another chunk, and then it completely broke. So I've removed that code for now. It was redundant anyway because it had nothing to do with Voronoi systems. So I've started on my code for that, and I've been trying to generate points inside of convex shapes. So as you can see here, there's a bunch of points I've got randomly generated, and I'm just working out with the kinks for basically the rest of the algorithm. Yeah, these points are generated randomly. I found some cool theory crafting that was basically like you pick two triangles on the surface of a mesh and you interpolate a distance between them. And there's your point. And it works quite well, as you can see. There were some issues where it was creating points outside of the box, but Unity has a check to see if a point is inside a bounding box. So I just did that check and then got rid of any extras. So yeah, making steady progress. Hopefully next week I'll have some more Voronoi in to show you guys, and I can start fracturing.